Yeah, warm good morning to everyone. I'm Karthik, Assistant Professor, Mechanical Engineering Department from SNS College of Technology. I'm excited to talk about the SNS Roadmap, a strategic blueprint from SNS institutions that guide us from initial chaos to the ultimate creation. Right. So here you can see this chaos to creation build up, right? Uh, Building excellence step by step. In this roadmap outlines four progressive stages to innovation, culture, growth with ambitious goal for launching 1,000 startups in 10 years. It is powered by design thinking for logical problem solving and AI for scalable impacts. As the quotes in the roadmap says, with the design thinking provides the logical approach and AI enabling skills, a 1,000 startup mission is not just a dream, it is achievable. So let's break it down step by step. Okay. As it's a core, this SNS roadmap is a visual journey that divides into four stages. That is foundation, framework and culture, growth and innovation, excellence and creation. So by addressing the everyday challenge and building towards excellence through structured framework, innovative tools and measurable goals. So this is not just a plan, it's a holistic approach that integrates human-centered design, cultural values and cutting-edge technologies to turn friction into progress. So first we will see stage by stage. So we begin with the foundation stage, which recognize the starting point for many organizations and individuals, chaos and challenge. So as initial, it is initial friction and frustration, often stemming from relying on common man and the standards approach that lacks creativity. Thinking about it, how many times we have faced roadblocks which because we are stuck in conventional methods to adopt that don't adapt for the unique problems. So here the key is to introduce design thinking, where this design thinking encourages empathy, ideation, prototyping, and testing to solve problems creatively. It's about putting people at a center and iterating until we find a solution for a particular one. By establishing this foundation, SNS set a stage for overcoming early hurdles and moving towards structured growth. Without this base, the rest of a roadmap would not hold up. It's like building a house on a solid ground instead of sand, right? So now comes to the stage two, where it is a frame and culture. Once the foundation is laid, we move to a framework and culture where we build a support to structure. So this stage it produces 3P culture: purpose, process, and people. So it aligns everyone to around a clearly why, efficient how, and valued who. So complementing this, there is a 3C framework: attitude, logic, and technique, which develops a mindset, reasoning, and skill needed for success. So then there are 5 pillars to learn, upskill, innovate, and network, which provide actionable steps for continuous improvement. So finally, we have spine, which focus on a holistic well-being, health, hobbies, and sports through 18 clubs, which ensures that we will be building professional excellence, which also nurturing personal growth. Together, these elements will create a vibrant culture that sustains momentum and that and prevents burnout, turning individual into a motivated community. So comes into the third thing, which is growth and innovation. Now with a strong framework, we enter into the growth and innovation. This is where things get excited and practical. It features innovative 7+7 industrial verticals, which includes 15 clubs to spark collaborative ideas across sectors. So next comes the Gen AI establishment. It's a highlight covering teaching technologies to hack, leverage generative AI effectively. This empowers user to integrate AI into their workflow for smarter, faster innovation, right? So this stages also empathize certified talents in the field like IT, business, engineering, and health. So to ensure a participants gain recognized skills, uh, so that this stage is expands horizon, turning knowledge into the action and ideas into prototypes. As comes the last step is last stage is excellence and creation. The pinnacle of this roadmap where we set the smart OKR goals with gamification to make the objective specific, measurable, achievable, relevant and time bound, so that here we can add some fun elements to boost engagements. So excellence is a framework of progressive achievements, building on prior stages to reach peak performance, so that we can achieve the 1000 AI startup over 10 years goal, right? So by this status, chaos has transferred to creations, providing the systematic excellence lead to tangible world changing outcomes, right? So here this SNS roadmap is a powerful guiding from frustration to fulfillment, integrating design thinking, culture, innovation and AI to achieve extraordinary goals where an educator, student or entrepreneur can create wonders. So with this we can build up 1000 startups, which is our dream. So let's embrace it and build excellence together. Thank you for the attention. Thank you once again.